G'day, my fellow YouTubians. That and Nev, but not on Smoky. I'm doing an unboxing. I've already cut that open, so I haven't taken anything out. So you're seeing it as I'm seeing it, not live, of course, but so hopefully we have something that's not been opened before. Nothing in there. Throw that in there. And I'm just going to make sure that everything is in order. So far so good. I mean, the box has definitely not been opened. So, yeah, there's those security type sticky things there. So that's good. No, brand new. Never been opened. Well, that's my computer, by the way, that I built recently that I talk about. That's the screen. There's Smoky there. So, yeah. It's alright. Right, okay. Let's have a look. See, yep. I might open it here. Get this plastic off. And see how we go. Tomorrow being Saturday, I'm going up the shop about midday, and me and a friend are going to take out the ignition from Smoky, and that comes down here, and it's just behind there that you unplug it. There's a couple of screws up there, special screws that we should be able to undo, because we got already checked to see what they are, and we have a tool or a fitting to undo them. So definitely not been open, folks. Definitely not been open. Open that security one. Open this security one. See if I can get it out. Sometimes they can be a bit hard to get out. I don't want to use a knife. I don't want to wreck the box or anything like that. Just got to get a little bit out, and it should come out. There we go. Maybe that's got it a little bit. Yep. So that's the top off. Very tight fitting. Put on the keyboard there for a minute. Right, what do we got? We got some instructions. We have a not instructions. No, that's not. That should be the instructions. Okay, so we've got the instructions. One camera. Oh, I know, that's right. I remember now. You got to pull it out this way, take it out this way, because the mount is holding it in. The one that goes like, well, the one that come on. You know you want to come out. You're just being stubborn. Come on. Here we go. I'll have a look at that in a minute. There's the mount that you got to take off. The clips onto your helmet, like the one I'm using right now. I hope you can see all this. Right, so that's that one. That goes on the actual camera. There be the camera. Has it got any power? Yes, it has. Insert a card. I haven't got a card in it, but the last one did. They'd left it in there. I've got a card. I'm hoping it will be A-OK. That's the mount, sorry, the port for the microphone and or charging under that other cover. So, get that. Where's my other glasses? Hopefully this is the right way around. Yep. Turn it on and see what it says about the card. Format. Yeah, I will format it. Yes. Definitely format it. Don't know if it formatted actually. I probably did something wrong. Yes. What does that mean? What happened there? I'll soon find out. Right, it must be formatted. So that's all right. Okay, so the card's in. That was doing 4K there. Not that I want it that high, but at least I can hook it up to the computer now and have a look. Right, now what I'll do is I'll have a look at the rest to see what else I got with it. That's the wrong way, isn't it? Silly bugger. Okay, now remembering it's a Drift Ghost 4K Plus. So just put this on here for the moment, and put that there and that there, and just double check what we got in here, and hopefully we've got what else I need, everything else I need. Let's have a gander in this box. We have one microphone and one microphone adapter. Okay, so we know that. There should be a better microphone than the $2 ones that I normally buy. Hopefully. I will use that. I will install that on the helmet. And of course it's so much harder to put it all back together than what it is to take apart, which is pretty normal. But I can do that off camera. Right, what else we got here? One more box and that's it. And we'll have a gander what's in here. Right, charging cable. And this is what was missing in the other one. Was the mount. Your curvy mount. And they're not exactly cheap. So, people, everything's there. Everything seems to be there. So, I'll just give you a quick look at my fancy little computer here with my little light going there on my CPU, on the fan. And I'll say goodbye and until next time when I'll let you know when I'm using the camera. And until then, cheers for now.